Good morning, guys. Look what I just picked up. This is my new project. As you can see, I kind of bought it sight unseen, and the roof didn't lift up, so we kind of played with it and we got the front two to work, but the back two didn't work. So you can see the roof is propped up with a piece of wood here, same with the other side. And kind of got the sleepers pulled out here. We didn't put the canvas up yet just because we just kind of want to assess everything that it needs and kind of work with it. So there's the wood holding up that side. The canvas looks to be in pretty good shape. I haven't seen any rips or tears or anything, so we got pretty lucky there. It's musty, so we're kind of airing it out. I ordered some new cables for the lift system, and when they come in, I'm hoping that me and the camera can fit in here so I can show how to put the cables in, because I've never done it and I haven't seen any good videos on it, so hopefully I can create a good video. But here's the inside. The roof has a vent that is very much sun melted, so we're gonna replace that for sure. I did get the electricity kind of working, and then I left it and came back out and it didn't work again. So that light worked, that light didn't work, but the outlets worked. But now nothing works. Well, this light out here worked too, and I didn't check. It has outside electricity, but I didn't check it. This little door down here is a storage area, and it's kind of neat. Underneath here, there's where the crank is to crank up the top, and then that other box right there, that has a motor, so once I get all the cables installed, I'll be able to use the motor to lift it. It didn't come with any propane, but it has, or battery, but it has the battery box and a propane bracket, so we'll get that going. So I'm hoping to make a series of videos of how to fix up your tent trailer. It's kind of sun faded, it's been sitting outside, we're in Arizona, so the sun's done a number on it. So also I'm missing a taillight lens. It looks like the whole thing is good, but the lens fell off, so I don't know what happened there. And I'm missing some lenses for the marker lights. So the tires look good except for the spare. The spare was inside, I don't know why, because it does have a spare tire mount in the back there. So right now we're heading off to Home Depot for some cleaners so we can clean this up. And I'm waiting for the parts to show up for the lift system. So stay tuned.